In the middle of the Nevada desert, surrounded by nothing but dust, wind, and silence, lies a place the U.S. government denied for more than 50 years. A base so secret, its coordinates were blurred from satellite maps. Locals call it Dreamland. The world knows it as Area 51. They say impossible things become real here. Mysterious lights race across the night sky, faster than any aircraft known to man, and deep underground lie secrets not meant for humanity. For decades, workers entered those gates and never came out. Those who spoke were silenced completely. What is really inside Area 51? And why is the truth so carefully hidden? Tonight, we search for the answers. But remember, some secrets were never meant to be found. It all began in the Cold War, the year 1955. America needed a remote testing ground for new military aircraft. They found it, a dry lake bed called Groom Lake, miles away from any city. Perfect for experiments that couldn't be seen by the public eye. Here, they built one of the longest runways in history. Jet engines roared beneath the desert sun, testing aircraft that officially didn't exist. The U.S. spy plane, the A-12 Oxguard, later, the F-117 stealth fighter. Each born inside Area 51. Each hidden from the world until decades later. But as these projects grew, so did the rumors. Residents saw strange discs in the sky, glowing, silent, moving in ways no plane could. When people tried to get close, black trucks appeared. Men in unmarked uniforms gave one warning: turn back or disappear. In 1989, a man named Bob Lazar broke the silence. He claimed he worked near Area 51 in a facility called S4, and what he saw there changed everything. 9 flying discs, not built by humans. Reverse-engineered alien craft, powered by a reactor that could bend space and time itself. His story went viral before viral even existed. For the first time, millions believed the government was hiding proof of extraterrestrial life. Officials denied it all. They called him a fraud. But years later, leaked records confirmed his name did appear in government files, and the facility he described was real. Even now, scientists and skeptics argue about him. Was he a liar, or the first man to tell the truth about Area 51? Many who worked there reported strange burns on their skin, radiation sickness, and nighttime tests with glowing objects racing across the horizon. In 1994, when employees sued for exposure to toxic materials, the government stepped in. They erased the evidence, classified every document. No names, no proof, just silence. Yet satellite images kept revealing more. New hangars appeared. Longer runways carved through the desert floor. Something was happening, something big. Some say Area 51 now builds the next generation of stealth aircraft, machines far beyond our imagination. Others believe it's a vault, storing technology not of this world. Even today, the skies above it are forbidden. No civilian plane can enter. Guards patrol with orders to shoot. Warning signs line the fences. Use of deadly force authorized. Still, people come, thousands every year, standing at the borders, staring into the distance, hoping to catch one glimpse of the unknown. There have been accidents and deaths. Test pilots lost in explosions that were never recorded. Families who received sealed letters. No explanation. No remains. Just the words. Information classified. What lies beneath the desert? Weapons of war. Or proof that we are not alone. Some believe the alien rumors are just a cover story, a distraction from advanced human technology. Others swear it's all real, that the U.S. government made contact and buried the truth where no one can reach it. Whatever the reality, one thing is certain. Area 51 changed how the world sees secrecy. It became a symbol of everything hidden behind locked doors and silent walls. A place where science meets conspiracy, where every shadow holds a story, and every answer creates 10 new questions. Even now, decades later, the mystery grows stronger. Tourists travel from every corner of the world just to stand outside its gates, to take photos and imagine what lies beyond. Behind those hills, in the heart of Nevada's endless desert, lies history's most protected secret. We may never know what truly happens there. Maybe it's not about aliens or aircraft. Maybe it's about control, about how far humans will go to shape what others believe. And perhaps that's the real secret of Area 51, not what's inside it, but why it must stay hidden. If you wanted to uncover more mysteries like this, subscribe to Silence Chapter. Because some truths are meant to be heard only in silence.